How to clear Zooba cache on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. Are you playing Zooba on Android and experiencing loading problems, lags, or other issues? If yes, firstly, open up the Settings application from your Android device. Unlock your Android and open Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down from the left and tap on Apps. Under Apps, look for Zooba in the app list. Tap on it, and in the app info section, tap on Clear Data at the bottom right. Now in the pop-up, click on Clear Cache. Click OK to clear out the cache data. So right after you do that, you will be able to clear the cache on Zooba application. Now you can open Zooba app again, check whether the issue has been resolved. So that's how you clear cache on Android device for your Zooba app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.